Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Paul from P&L Ball Pythons. My wife Lisa's behind the camera. First things first, I want to apologize. It's been a long time since we've done a video. Sometimes things happen, life gets in the way. Hopefully from here on out, we will be putting out more videos with more content. But we figured we'd start off with an unboxing video. Beautiful animals in here. I can't wait for you guys to see them. We're going to have some update videos coming along with other videos on some other animals that we picked up along the way that we haven't done videos on yet. So we're going to be doing more videos coming up. Hopefully at least one a week, maybe more if we can get to them. But at least one a week. Probably it would be posted up on our YouTube channel probably Friday evenings. That's really the only day that my wife and I have off from work. We've been working 6 days a week. Really long days. So hopefully that's all behind us and we can get to making some more videos for you guys. But I really am truly excited about what is in this box. So without further delay, how about we check out and see what's in this box, shall we?
Sorry about the mess, guys. Working on remodeling, moving animals around to make more space for, well,
more animals.
More animals.
We're trying to continue to grow and expand into other areas, which I'm not going to give away. Those videos will be coming, so I don't want to give away what we've kind of been working on picking up. And
if they looked close enough.
Hey, I said don't give it away. Don't give them hints. All right. Oh yeah. Oh, I see 2 bags. And there's one bag. We'll move those scissors right out of the way. Yep. And there's another bag. All right. Oh, I don't even know where to start. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, I don't know where to start. Oh. What do you think? Where should we start? You know what?
This one.
This one? All right, we'll start with that one. All right, let's see. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got?
You gonna tell people where you got them?
I'm going to, yeah. But I'm going to let them see the animals and tell them where I got them at the same time.
Hey, no sneak peeking. Let's go.
Oh my goodness. Let's see what we got here.
And we were told they were in shed, guys, just to let you know.
Yes. He did tell us they were in shed, and they are definitely in shed. You can tell by the eyes.
Come back down.
So, huge shout out to Paul Zander from Zander Zone Reptiles. He does have an Instagram page and a Facebook page. He does not have a YouTube channel as of right now. He's talking about, starting one up. If he does, I'll let you guys know. And please subscribe to him if he does start up his channel. He's got amazing animals, as you will see. So what we have here, this is a male. And he is absolutely beautiful.
I remind you, he is in shed. So.
He is in shed, so if I can get him to kind of unwind a little bit here.
I don't wanna.
Come here, buddy. You're all right. I promise you. So this is an asphalt gravel. And he is beautiful. I can't wait for him to shed. And when they do shed, we will do an update video on these two. Because just really, really stunning. Even in shed, absolutely stunning.
Don't forget, I am short.
Oh, sorry. But, I mean, just, I love the sides. Look at that. Just absolutely crazy. Just beautiful. So again, huge shout out, Paul Zander. Thank you so much. Zander's Own Reptiles. Awesome. I am super excited to have these two here. So
Next.
that is the male. We'll just put it back in the bag real quick.
We'll just slide them over.
All right. Yeah, we can do that too. All right. So next we got in here. Oh, this one's definitely tied up way tighter. Oh, come on. Sorry, guys. That was my phone making all kinds of racket. Wow. Come on. There we go. I got it on the run now. Oh, yeah.
No peeking.
No peeking?
No peeking.
All right. I won't peek on this one. Oh, yeah.
Hi, pretty girl.
Beautiful.
Say hi.
So this is a female lesser super gravel. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Keep getting my hand in the way. Sorry, guys.
So lesser super gravel, female.
And
then
her mate will be him.
A male asphalt gravel. Absolutely amazing animals. Please go check him out on Instagram. Give him a follow there. Go check him out on Facebook. Man, these animals are absolutely beautiful. So excited to have them. I mean, just awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Lesser super gravel, female. Just insane. She is beautiful. And once again, this one's the male, and he is an asphalt gravel. And he is, I love the color tone in him, the dark black. Then they got like the copper brown, and then the sides on it down by the belly is just crazy with all the checkering. Just crazy. So once again, guys, I really am sorry it's been so long since we put out a video. Like I said, we're going to try to do at least one a week from here on out. And, you know, we truly appreciate everybody that's been with us since the beginning. You know, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. It doesn't cost nothing, even though it says subscribe, it's free. All it takes is just a push of a button. I would really, truly appreciate it. You know, if you like the content, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification if you don't mind. That way, when, you know, we put out another video next week, you'll get the, you'll get the message for it. And if you like the content, guys, stick around because we're going to have a whole lot more coming. So we do appreciate it. Have yourselves a wonderful night, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.